Now let's check for the presence or absence of characters or substrings or subsequences, if we call it that way as well. So this time let's try this. Let's get it. Let's see my string. Let's see. I love programming. If let's say I want to check for a character, let's say I want to find if there is a P in this particular string, then I can just say P. That's the query, what I want to find in my string. So if that character is there, then we are going to have true return to us. If let's say that character is not there, let's try, let's say Z in my string. What do we have? False, because Z is not here. Now let's try this. Let's say P, uppercase P in my string. We have false. You may be tempted to say that P is P. This and this are all P. But why do we have false? It's because in Python is case sensitive. So that means that this P, uppercase P, is different from lowercase p. And so you need to also pay attention to the cases that you use when dealing with strings. Okay, so here is false because there's no uppercase P here. But this is true because there's a small letter, a lowercase p here. So the same applies to all the other alphabets as well. Okay, so let's continue. You can also check for the presence or characters or substring using another command which you call the find. So you can say my string.find. Okay, so this will return a value. So this value here represents the index, the starting index. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is number 8, but indexing is 7. I'll talk about indexing later on, so don't worry. Now for now, just know that when you use the find function, it tells you the starting points in that particular sequence or string. Let's say love, a string dot find. Love is 2. So we have 0, 1, 2. Okay, it starts from 2, the index 2. Okay, yeah. We'll talk about indexing later on, so just stay tuned. Then you get to understand why we have these values there. And you should also know that in Python, counting starts from 0. I'll talk about all these things in the indexing parts. Okay, so let's go. Now we are going to look at counting the number of characters or substrings. This is something that we always do to find the number of occurrences.